Friends, I'm Dhaval and these are my teammates.
I'm Akshar.
Hi, I'm Raashid.
I'm Huzefa.
We are graduate students at San Jose State University from the Computer Engineering Department. And this video is to show our project, the Smart Weather Clock. So, you come over to our demo. The basic idea of our project is that we have one master node and 3 slave nodes. The master node accesses real-time weather data from the internet, and it also has a graphical LCD with touchscreen interface to it. Additionally, all 4 nodes have temperature and humidity sensors interface to them, so they can access the ambient temperature and humidity data. We also communicate with each other. The 4 nodes communicate with each other using the Nordic wireless module, and the way it works is that the master requests the data from the 3 slave nodes, and upon the receive and as it receives the data, we display it on a GUI over here. So we'll just start over with the demo. To give a basic idea, this is our master module, and this is the SJ1 board. It has ARM CORTEX-M3 processor. This is the Electric Imp, which is an IoT device, an Internet of Things device, and it is used to access real-time data from the internet. This is the touchscreen from 4D systems, where we can make where we can easily make very interactive GUIs. Coming over to our slave nodes. A slave node has a simple 16:2 LCD interface to it, and this is the one-wire temperature and humidity sensor. Now I'll show you how our project works. So coming over to our master node, we can see that we have some buttons over here where we can access the data of the respective nodes. So suppose if you press the master node, it shows us the relative humidity and the temperature data. So right now in this room, the relative humidity is 48% and the temperature is 28 degrees centigrade. And suppose if you want to access the data from say node 1, this is our node 1. The node 1 has a simple LCD interface to it, which gets the reading from this sensor. So currently it is getting the reading of relative humidity of 50% and the temperature is 27. So if I want to access the data of node 1 on my master node, I simply press this button and we can see the relative humidity is 48% and the temperature is 27 degrees. Now the thing here we have done is we fetch the data from the nodes every 10 seconds. We know that the data does not fluctuate very often, so we have a time delay of 10 seconds. Now comes the part of accessing real-time data from the internet. So when you press the real-time weather button over here, it takes some time because we get the data every 10 seconds. So now comes the fun part of getting the real-time weather data from the internet by using the Electric Imp. So when I press this button, we can see the city is Mumbai, the humidity over there is 99% and the temperature is 27 degrees, and the conditions are that there are scattered clouds over there. Right now what we are doing is we are sending 5 cities at every 10 seconds interval. So yeah, see right now you can see the city change to Brussels and we get the humidity as 89% and the temperature over there is 13 degrees with the broken clouds. Now I'll just give you a basic idea of the hardware which was used in this project. So we basically used 4 general purpose PCBs, and we just used the connectors and mounted everything on it, as you can see over here. We have designed a 5 volt voltage regulator using the 7805 IC. This 5 volt is used by the temperature and humidity sensor and also by this LCD. Right now the SG1 board is powered via USB, but we can also power it using the 5 volts from this circuit. So just to show the back plane of the board, it looks very neat, and there are no possibilities of loose connections. So this was a basic project of smart weather clock. And just to summarize that, we have four nodes. One is a client node, and one is a server node, and there are 3 client nodes. Basically they communicate with each other. The master node can access real-time weather data from the internet, and it can also access the data, the temperature and humidity data from the other 3 nodes via the Nordic RF modules. You can find more detailed information about each and every component which is used in a project on the wiki page, which is listed below the video. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, then please feel free to mail me. Thank you.